Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Tech More today. I'm going to show you mind-blowing AI tools that you absolutely need to check out. We will explore what they do, how they work, and most importantly, how they can benefit you. One of the first AI tools that you have got to try out is Lex. It is an AI alterator which can make pretty much anything you can think of and much easier to use. So all you have to do is type in any description or PRT that you would like your artwork to be. So I want you to see Elon Musk playing basketball. And it does a really good job at getting the artwork to look just like them. What's next? Let's explore some powerful features of Dr.Fone. Unlock and transfer. First up, the unlock feature. If you've forgotten your screen lock password, PIN, or pattern, Dr.Fone has you covered. With just a few clicks, you can regain access to your device hassle-free. Simply connect your device, choose Unlock, and follow the prompts. Dr.Fone will guide you through the process, ensuring your data remains intact while you unlock your phone. Now, let's talk about the transfer feature. Whether you're switching to a new device or just want to back up your data, Dr.Fone makes transferring files seamless. With Dr.Fone, you can easily transfer photos, videos, contacts, and more between devices, no matter the brand. Just connect both devices, select what you want to transfer, and let Dr.Fone do the rest. With Wondershare Dr.Fone, unlocking your device and transferring files has never been easier. It's the ultimate toolkit for managing your mobile life. Ready to simplify your device management? Check out Wondershare Dr.Fone. Link to the website is available in the video description, so imagine you can take your voice and make an clone of it, a website called tpt.com. All you do is scroll right to the bottom and then tap on the download link. It will start downloading the Descript application, and once you have got it open, tap on Voice, then right over here. Create a new voice. Then what you have to do is record a 10-minute clip of nothing else but just your voice. And it's really important that you sound like yourself. So once you are done with your 10-minute voice clip, you are going to drag and drop it into Descript. Then what it will do is transcribe the entire Y clip, which you can amend if you want, and finally submit the training data. And what I really like about this AI is that it specifically asks you if the voice you are cloning is yours. When the AI is done cloning your voice, all you do now is write down anything you want in the text box. Wait for Descript A to turn that text into your voice. And I just can't believe how really this sounds now. Let me show you how to make AI music. Now, the next AI tool is called new.com, which I have been actually spoken about before, but you cannot generate your own AI music track. And the first way to do that is by clicking on this little plus icon and choosing from different genres or moves. You can mix them up and choose different ones to create your own track. But what's even cooler is you can actually enter a prompt in a couple of seconds. It will generate your own unique track that has never been heard now. If you go and search for this website, Super Meme, you will find a pretty unusual AI that is specifically made to generate memes. All you do is type in a part like, I don't know when it takes over your job, hit that generate button. And in a couple of seconds, it spits out a bunch of different M options, which you can just keep scrolling through. And I'm not going to lie, some of them are actually hilarious. You can even edit the text on some of the memes. So whether you want to adjust the text size or even what the meme is saying, you can do that. Or you can toggle on the Jeff meme generator and generate a bunch of funny GFs, which are actually HS. And it's kind of crazy to think you can literally generate an infinite amount of memes that will keep you entertained forever. And now let me show you how you can turn your images into AI videos, us using this website, KI. So once you are on the website, you can log in using your Google account, and then you can start creating. All you got to do is begin with an image. And of course, I'm going to start with my picture. Then just click on continue to prompt, and over here you're going to type out exactly what you would like your video to do, like a board, and you can choose tile and you can choose your animation to be in. And after a few minutes, you get the coolest animation video that was created from just one PCK. And the more you look at them, the crazier it gets. But what you can also do, take a video of your own. And you can also turn your picture into your videos. Now you have your very own AI video that looks so cool. Also, if you want to see even more AI videos, then make sure you like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. And I will see you in the next one.